In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage your new services page. This is a page and we have a custom template that's calling any post that you have created that's assigned to the services category. So if you go into edit page on the services, which you would never need to do unless you wanted to add some copy at the top of the page, you'll see I just have a little spacer in here. We don't really need that, but it's not hurting anything. If you wanted to add something like learn about great services, then you can see it's going to add the text right up here. But I will take that out for now and leave it how we had it. So anything else, if you want to add or rearrange the services, you're going to do that someplace else. So let's come back in here and let's say we wanted to add a brand new service. We're going to go to Posts, Add New, and call it Brand New Service. Don't miss out. Now, in order for it to show up on the services page, we're going to need to assign it to the services category. And if you wanted to have text show up, let's come back here and see. This text here, what we're seeing is the excerpt. So you can have as much text in here as you want. You know, you can style it with pictures, whatever you want. And then you can just have, you know, the excerpt down here. So you could say, don't miss out, this is the excerpt. I'll just say that for now so you can see. And again, if we look back over here, we have a special sidebar on services. We have, or actually, what we're creating is a custom services post. So we have a special sidebar on the services posts, and this is called sidebar 1. So over here, you're going to select 1 for the sidebar. And then because we're going to use a small square for the featured image, I'm going to jump back over here again. We want to hide this featured image from the post content because otherwise it's going to stretch it and look all funny. You can add images up here, but don't add them as featured. Basically, I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So now you're going to set featured image. And you just need the image to be a square. So I'll just use one that I already have, a sample square image. And so we've got the category, title, description, excerpt. We set the sidebar to 1 and we're hiding the featured image. That's all we have to do. And we'll hit publish. And if we come back over to the services, it's not going to show up yet. So normally I would just hit refresh and check for it and it's not here. That's because we're using a custom post order plugin to allow you to place the services in whatever order you want. So the next step is going to be to come over to my posts order options. And here you can see we have services, so you're going to hit edit. And now the new service is going to show up at the top here, brand new service. So we're going to click add. That's going to add it to the services page. And let's say we want to have it right below the marketing shield. I'm just going to click and drag it down. And then I have to be sure to press update, so we'll save the changes. And now if we do a refresh, we can see here's our brand new service right here. And if we click on it, we can see we don't see the featured image up here and we do have the services sidebar over here on the right. So that's it. That's how you add a new service. If you wanted to edit a service, you're going to come over into posts. And I might find it easier to go to categories because that's going to allow you to go down to services and click on the number 11 here. That means you have 11 posts right now in the services category and you can see only the services displaying now. So for example, if you wanted to edit website development, you could just come in here and make whatever changes you want.